At some point while studying at Kalamazoo Valley, you may need to drop or withdraw from a class. Maybe you want to exchange classes to adjust your schedule to accommodate your work hours. Or life may interfere with your plans and you'll want to drop a class altogether. These instructions will show you how to remove yourself from a class. It is very important that you officially leave the course. If you simply stop attending, you will remain enrolled and may receive a failing grade, and perhaps face financial consequences. Pay close attention to the refund and withdrawal deadlines found on our website. First, log into MyValley. Then click to expand the My Links menu. Select Register or Drop Classes. Choose Register for Classes and select the term. Within the summary window, locate the class you'd like to drop or withdraw. If that window does not appear in the lower right corner, select Panels in the bottom left to bring up both the Summary and Schedule panel. Next, click the Action drop-down menu. Select Drop or Withdraw, and Submit to finalize the drop or withdrawal. From here, if you want to register for classes, you will need to click Submit one more time to remove the class you dropped from the summary screen to prevent any confusion or errors. If you are exchanging classes, you may be interested in the conditional drop function. This allows you to drop your current class for a new one, but only if the new class is available to you. You can check the Conditional Add Drop checkbox at the bottom of the summary panel so your current class will not be dropped unless you are successfully registered for the new class. If the registration was not successful, you will receive a message saying the computer was unable to make the requested change. You can hover over the error message in the summary panel for an explanation of why you could not register. Click Submit again to remove the course you tried to join. Work to resolve the reason for the error and try again, or choose another class for your exchange. Please review our other how-to videos about creating a plan, registering, and waitlisting classes for more helpful tips.